Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Audi A5 step by step. Start by warming the engine briefly, then lift the car safely on jack stands, remove oil cap, and position a drain pan under the oil sump drain plug. Loosen plug with a wrench, drain oil fully, replace filter, reinstall plug with new gasket, lower car, refill with correct oil amount, and check level with dipstick. Gather tools and parts before you start to save time and avoid errors. You will need a 17mm socket, oil filter wrench, oil drain pan, new filter, 5W40 or manufacturer recommended oil, and a new crush washer. Wear gloves and eye protection and use jack stands on level ground. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and dispose of used oil at a certified recycling center. Take photos of undercarriage before removal to remember routing and orientation of parts. Quick recommendation, and please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed my view on money, and it pairs oddly well with car maintenance savings humor. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want the book or related resources. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Drain and replace the oil step by step with calm focus. Break the drain plug with a 17mm socket, then remove it and let oil drain completely. Remove the old filter, lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil, and install by hand until snug. Reinstall drain plug with new crush washer, torque to specification, lower the car, add the proper oil amount, run engine briefly, and check the level and leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.